You are God. Yes, you, my friend, you. And your potential is unlimited. Just like him. I know it sounds ridiculous, even impossible. But give me just 6 minutes and I'll prove it to you. Let's first define what is God. Whether you have read the Purans or the Quran or the Bible, they all define God in one simple way: the one who created everything. He created you, me, the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the fire that we use to cook, right? But how does he actually create? According to the Purans, when Brahma created the first man, his name was Manu. He created him by using the power of his mind, his Manas Shakti. Hence, Manu was called his Manas Putra. Manas Shakti is the power of thoughts and imagination. Brahma didn't create us by picking soil in one hand and water in another and mixing it up. No, he simply thought of creating a human in his mind, and voila. Therefore, what is the ultimate power of God? We can say that it is just thought. Now, my friend watching this video, tell me, don't you have the same powers? You have 60,000 thoughts every single day, according to science. Why can't you use them in a way like God does to change your life? Why not? Of course, you can. Look around you. The app you are watching this video on was created by the power of thought. The sofa you're lying on, it began as someone's imagination. Even you are the product of your parents' imagination. On their wedding night, they thought something like, आज कुछ तूफानी करते हैं. And boom, here you are, the tufani kid. Human beings can create anything, big or small, just by using their thoughts. The same way as God creates from nothing, humans also can create something from nothing. So, my Premi, tell me this: doesn't that make you a god? But something strange has been happening. Why can't we fulfill our dreams even when we are gods? Why, despite being Narayan, do 90% of people live without Lakshmi? The reason is society. This system, what you call school, was not designed to make you powerful, but instead, they were designed to make you powerless and obedient. It chained your infinite potential and reduced you to a mere human. If you make a mistake, you will fail. If you fail, you will never earn money. And if you score low marks, we will call your parents and humiliate them. Schools taught you that success comes from passing the exams. But the real lesson is failure is the greatest teacher, and it will teach you many more things than success ever will. The Indian education system is not Indian. A Britisher named Lord Macaulay designed this education system because he wanted slaves, not thinkers. He didn't want leaders and innovators. He wanted obedient followers and workers. Imagine a factory assembly line taking raw, creative individual and molding them into obedient and powerless workers. They programmed fear into your brain and silenced your creativity. You stopped thinking about new ideas because they planted fear in you. What if I fail? What if I'm on the wrong path? What if my teachers are right? You started walking on the path carved by others rather than walking on your own. But here's the truth: fear is the killer of creativity, and creativity cannot live without failure. You have to fail. Just like humans need oxygen to live, creativity needs failure to grow. Society has trapped you in invisible chains, using fear as its main weapon. In school, your teachers just didn't teach you maths or science, they planted fear in your mind. That's how Macaulay School became factories of conformity. According to NASA, 98% of people lose their creativity when they become adults. Who is to blame here? Of course, the school system. Yeah, we can talk many good things about the Gurukul system, but it is too late. The damage is already done. That's why, even if we all are gods, we are living an unhappy life. Today, we uncovered how you are God and how society dimmed your divine light and energy. But don't worry, in my next video, I will teach you how to break these chains of conformity and win over your fear. For now, start reprogramming your mind. Repeat after me. You are creative. You are powerful. Everything can be done by you. And you, my friend, are God. Sitaram.